Friends often ask, how do you make it work in a house this small with 2 kids? The answer is simple: minimalism. The why is too. We love the place where we live. Our kids run wild and free on the beach every day. Although it's small, like 500 square feet small, this place feels light and spacious to me. It's a place where we center our days around living outside. And surprisingly, it's a place where friends, family, and community seem to have an almost magnetic pull towards. I can hear and smell the ocean from inside, and in so many ways, it's a dream come true to live here with our kids. Simple, minimal living is the tool that makes that possible. Before moving to this home, we sold and donated 90% of our belongings. Since then, we've minimized 50% of that remaining stuff, and it feels so good. When it comes to kids and minimalism, I read this book called Simplicity Parenting, and it totally changed my mindset. After putting it into practice, I found that fewer toys actually means more play. I would have never considered this house if we had not already changed our mindsets on our stuff. We've discovered the joys of slowing down, of spending less time being stuff managers and maintainers, and more time just doing stuff we like. Being together, playing with our kids, doing fun stuff outside, saving money. Less to wash, organize, clean up, and tidy every day. Less to do when I sit down to play with my kids. It's not perfect. It's less, but better. What minimalism looks like for us. There are so many blogs and videos out there to teach you how to declutter, how to become a minimalist. I love all those videos, and I probably follow all those blogs. But after practicing minimalism for 5-ish years now, I believe that if you understand your why, the how will take care of itself.